The demolition of Igbo properties by Lagos state government continues this morning. This is so heartbreaking.
Igbo property in the mud. People are living here. See their properties. Look at it. Look at it. They just finished demolishing this duplex now. They just finished demolishing this particular one now. People are living there. See their properties. Just imagine. Just imagine. Where are they going to start from? Where are they going to pack all these things? Where are they going to pack all these things? This one is the nest. As you can see, they are packing out. I'm coming. Let me video it very well for you. They are packing out. This one is the nest. They are packing out. See their properties. See their properties. Just imagine. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? The property in the mud.
Millions of naira.
Millions of naira in the mud. One after the other. They are packing out. They are packing out. Igbo kaina zenu. Kaina zenu no digo man is enough. Enough is enough. Just imagine. Just imagine. They say this place is road. Road that leads to where? Road do not get a road do not get a one after the other. Can you imagine? The one the mud, the property in the mud. Just imagine. Millions, so a plot of land here is over 20 million.
No joy for Abula though, no joy. Seriously, do Abula, don't scatter the house where Igbo people build for Abula though. See now, this white one now, they go scatter this one now. They will bring this one down very soon now. Many houses, I know vivid though, people they cry. Abula, don't they scatter house for Abula though, no be small thing, no be small thing. Seriously, they do Igbo people house, so they go bring this one down now very soon. This one now, this one will come down very soon now. Soon. I'm mommy I see all this building. All this building is going down. All these buildings are going down. All these buildings are going down now. They're waiting for them to pack that thing. So all these buildings are going down. All these buildings, everything is going down. They're waiting for them to pack that thing. So where are we going to? It's the Abulado. All these buildings are going down. They're waiting for them to pack that things now. They're waiting for them to pack that things. All these buildings. Yeah, see, problem. So people they pack that things. People they pack that things. So they're just waiting for them to pack that things. God help us, Abulado. God help us. So everything is going down. They're waiting. I just give them some minutes now, not even an hour again. Oh my God, see all these houses are going down. Just people are packing their things. All this building now. Everything. Demolished, everything. All this building, God. All these buildings. They're just waiting for them now to pack that things. I don't give them some time. It's not even up to 1 hour now again. They're just waiting now. They asked them to pack their things yesterday night. All the whole building you are seeing, everything is going down. Everything is going down now for some minutes now. The ones that bring down since yesterday, a lot. I can't even video again. God help us. So say do Igbo. Now for Abula don't see the happen. Abula. Now for Abula don't see building, see mansion. Abula. This one is going down too. Very soon now. Moment I see. All these buildings are going down. See this one. Everything. I just give them some time now to pack that things out. Even inside safe. House are still going down. See. All these buildings are going down. Babylado, God help us. Mommy, I just see Abdullah though. I just see you. Now you do video now. I don't want to go close. I beg. I dey okay. I beg. When they collect my phone. I'm gonna say to have Abdullah. All these building way they see they go down. Everything they go down. Now they say to have Abdullah. Igbo people don't suffer for Lagos. So. Abdullah. About this one they happen. Abdullah. God help Igbo people for Lagos. So God help us. So. Many buildings inside, even what is it called? Army gate side. May I see now. See all this place where you see, all this place where they see now. Now fine mansion they here. Mansion. Oh my God. When are they see now? Let me show you guys. Well, they're still working now. See this one now. See this one. This side, another side, this one is Army Gate. Army Gate now. At Abula, you see. See now. These ones are going down. Mommy, I see now. Hello? All this house now, see, all of them are going down. So the other side, turn up blood. All of them are going down. Yes. All these fine houses are going down too. God.
Anyway, two sets. That first one I know about no, let me go look up another cover. Me to bridge there.
All these houses are going down. All this mansion.